Welcome back. Quick tips with Chef Swain. Let's get at it. Quick tips. Today we're going to go over 3 things that restaurant chefs do that you should also do at home.
Today's 3 things to help you think like a chef are going to be focused on cleanliness. What better place to start than towels? Every kitchen out there utilizes these towels to operate. You use them for everything. To hold hot stuff, to clean your workspace, to put underneath your cutting board so it doesn't move. You may see a lot of chefs with them hanging off their apron, but that's actually not recommended according to food safety guidelines. Best practice is to have a stack of folded towels that you keep near you while you are working. If you are eagle-eyed enough, you have probably seen me using these in all of my videos, and you may even see me refolding them after each use. This small repetitive task makes sure that I am always focusing on staying clean and tidy. I also have one that sits in sanitizer solution in my sink for wiping down my work area when I'm done. Long ago I purchased a pack of 75 or so of these for my home kitchen, and I just wash them, refold them, and keep using them. So much better for the environment than a bunch of paper towels. Tip number 2 is to save your to-go containers and even maybe get yourself some of these different size cup containers. They come in cup, pint, and quart sizes, and they are perfect for storing food or holding mise en place, which is a French term for everything in its place. Having everything organized and in front of you before you start cooking will help prevent some of the panic that sets in when you are cooking something new. Tip number 3 basically combines the things from before and focuses on cleaning as you go. This is a time lapse of me making a pretty darn good sandwich for myself and trying to make it so that by the end I have very little left to clean up. This is definitely one of the harder habits to learn in a kitchen, but it is life-changing once you figure it out. I can make whole meals, I could food prep for a week, or just slap together a sandwich like this, and usually my sink is just as empty as when I started. This is one of the biggest pieces of advice I give, especially when it comes to making a dinner that you want to serve hot. It's not gonna get ice cold immediately, so take some time after you put together your finished dish, clean your area up, put away your ingredients that you had sitting out, wrap up those unused items, and you'll thank yourself later after you eat and when you really don't feel like cleaning up. Alright, let's recap. Tip number 1. When using kitchen towels, keep them folded nicely and practice refolding them after each use. Tip number 2. Use to-go containers to gather all your ingredients before cooking or to store cooked food when you're done. Tip number 3. Clean as you go and try and finish cleaning before you sit down to eat. These 3 things are a great starting point to get you to start thinking like a chef and not just an at-home cook.
Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see on this channel. I was collecting comments on Twitter the other day, and I would love to hear from you about what you'd like to see, especially quick tip stuff and this restaurant stuff. So leave a comment, and thank you for tuning in. Have a magnificent day, and may your quest for food knowledge be bountiful.